everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Now we are going to cut the center part and make this flower petal shape. Take a plate and put all these dragon fruit slices on the top of it in a circle. After this, we are going to decorate it further. We are taking this cucumber, make small pieces out of it. We are going to make the leaves using this cucumber. So cut all of them like we are doing here. After cutting, we are going to fold like this and put it around the dragon fruit one after another. So decorate it like this and look, it's ready. After doing this, we're also going to take cherry tomatoes and put it at the center of the fruit, and look, your food art is ready. You can also create some more flowers and decorate it further like this. Let's learn a very easy method of food decoration. We are going to cut 2 slices of dragon fruit. After cutting them, we are going to further cut it into 4 parts. Put all of them one after another in a circle on this white plate. Now take a banana. Now make small slices of it. After this, we are going to put it at the center of the white plate one after another. Put all the slices in a circle and look, it's done. After doing this, we are going to adjust the shape like this. Now take some oranges and further cut, make small slices. We're going to cut all the fruit into half, and look how pretty this is already looking. We can also add some red color using this cherry tomato. Now take a cucumber and make small pieces out of it and fold it and decorate it further. Put it around the plate, and look, your fruit artwork is ready.